So welcome to the second video here. We are having now a guided tour of the contents of the MoWeS platform, and hopefully this would give you some ideas and clues on how to use it in order to develop your applications. The MoWeS platform comes as a folder which we have downloaded, unzipped and saved on our desktop. In that folder here you got another set of folders and the executable file. If you launch these, okay, you have your MoWeS platform running. We did already before, so it is already running. Your platform, if you want to see it, it's in here. Okay, and we have, as you say here, a few more folders. So quickly, this folder here is the folder including all the files needed from the web server the WOM stack is endowed with. The web server is Apache, and you have to do very little about this folder here, but if you need to change the settings of your Apache web server, what you could do is to just open and edit the httpd.conf file. This is the configuration file for your Apache, and as you can see here, this configuration file is within a folder called conf, which is under the directory called Apache2, which is obviously included in the MoWeS platform. So if you edit this file here, and we can edit it with our nice text editor, you might see here, okay, that there are a few things. Okay, one is this. It tells you where is the server root of your web server. As you can see here, the web server is running under the MoWeS folder, which I saved in my desktop. And there is little else you need to know about this, but that if you want your web server to run on port 8080 rather than on port 80, which is the default port, you just need to change these values here. This is one value. The other value you need to change is this one here. The server name, it's localhost colon 8080. So let's close this. No need for you to change this because it has already been set up to run on the 8080 port. Let's get back here to the MoWeS main folder. In this folder here, there is even less stuff of interest to you. That it just includes the files needed for running the MoWeS platform, so you can safely ignore this. This file here, this is where all the database files, the MySQL database files, are included and saved. Again, for our purposes, this is something that we can safely ignore, so let's ignore it. PHP 5, again, something we can easily ignore. In this file here, in this folder here, we just save all the files needed to have the PHP scripting language available and alive and kicking within the web server. So what really matters to you as a developer is this folder here, the www folder. In this folder here, all the applications you have developed, or those that you want to use and that come with MoWeS, are saved, are stored. So if you get in there here, okay, you can see that you already have here a number of folders. Each folder here is an application. Okay, so for instance, phpMyAdmin, okay, this is an application. So if you go to your browser, okay, and instead of start, you just write here phpMyAdmin. Here we are. We having this application here running on your browser here. Okay. Everything else is really the subject of another video. Essentially, we will need to see how the application works, phpMyAdmin, or more important to you, the VF1 framework. Goodbye.